Hi buyers! For today's video, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano fill upan itong reservation agreement form. Sa buyer's information, dito pipirma at magpipill up yung principal buyer. Kung individual, yan yung mag-isa lang or single. Check nyo lang yan. Pag married to naman, kasal siya pero ayaw niyang pumirma yung partner niya or hindi niya kasama yung partner niya pero okay na sa kanila yung unit, pwede namang isulat na lang yung details ng partner. Tapos, isa lang yung pipirma. Pag spouses naman, dalawang magkasama yan, pwede silang pumirma dito. Kung online naman, both sila magkasama, fill upan na lang nila yan, yung mga based abroad na client. Pag corporation naman, yan yung may-ari ng company, so ipapangalan nila yung property sa company name. Pero ang pipirma dyan is yung may-ari ng company. Yung minor naman is below 18 years old. So kailangan ng quick claim dyan, may i-attach. Pero bihira lang yung mga gumagamit nyan. Then, isulat nyo lang dito yung first name, middle name, last name. Kung meron kayong tax identification number, yung TIN ID, isulat nyo lang. Then, check nyo lang kung anong gender. Then, date of birth, civil status. Kung dual citizen, ilagay nyo lang dyan. For example, US Filipino or Canadian Filipino. Yon, specific nyo na lang / dito. Nga pala, kung dual ka, kailangan dalawang ID mo, dalawang passport mo, isasubmit mo yun sa amin. Kasi, kung wala ka pang isang passport, hihingan ka ng oath-taking, ng proof na dual ka. Then, ilagay mo lang dyan yung civil status, occupation, personal email address, kailangan tama yan. Kasi dyan, isisend ni SMDC yung thank you letter and schedule of payment. Yung passport number, leave it blank na lang. Then, isulat nyo dyan yung residence address nyo, complete address ng residence, kasi dyan ipapadala yung contract to sell, yung hard copy ng contract to sell. Then, mobile number, yung number nyo na pag tinawagan kayo ng SMDC, yan yung active. Then, kung saan nyo gustong ipadala yung contract to sell, pwede palang may option dito, residence ba siya, office ba siya, or other. Other, kung meron kayong another address. Then, isulat nyo lang dito yung office name nyo, company name, and also yung inyong address ng company. Yung mobile number and telephone number ng company, leave it blank. Then, yung alternate contact person naman, ito yung hindi kasama sa ownership. Kasi pag hindi kayo makontak, siya yung kokontakin. Isulat nyo lang dyan yung complete name ng alternate contact person, yung address niya, at cellphone number. Then, sa spouse naman, yung details, isulat nyo lang dito. First name, middle name, last name, tax identification number or TIN ID kung meron, gender, date of birth, civil status, citizenship, occupation, residence, personal email address, mobile number, office, employer name, employer address, yan, and sign-in signature lang below si buyer. Yung principal, siya yung mauuna. Yung pangalawa, yung spouse. Yan. And sign-in signature lang kayo dito. Dalawa kung mag-asawa. Then, may another form naman tayo pag may co-buyer. Ayan. Annex A naman siya. Hantayin lang na. Ito naman yung Annex A. Pag may co-buyer yung buyer. Or let's say, hindi pa sila kasal ng partner niya, sa Annex A pipirma at pipill up yung isa. Same lang sila guys. Isulat nyo lang yung details dito sa taas. Kung yung co-buyer mo naman is may asawa, tapos kaibigan mo yon, yung co-buyer mo, isulat pa rin nung co-buyer mo yung details ng spouse niya dito. And kung kasama niya yung spouse niya, kailangan pumirma. Kasi kung yung co-buyer mo is may asawa, conjugal property yan. Part of the ownership pa rin yung asawa nung co-buyer. So, ganun siya. Kung 5 kayong co-buyer, kung 5 yung co-buyer mo, tag-isa sila nito ng Annex A. Kung kasal yung isa doon sa co-buyer, kailangan pa rin isulat at pumirma nung isang asawa. Kailangan pa rin isulat yung details ng asawa niya. Kasi conjugal property. So, magiging part of the ownership din yung asawa ng co-buyer. Then, ayun, sign in signature na lang dito below. Tsaka dito. So, ganun lang guys, kadali pirmahan tong reservation agreement form. Pag meron pa kayong question, feel free to contact me. Thanks for watching!